for today's Read Aloud, we are going to start a new book. And this book is a nonfiction book. Remember, nonfiction books are books that teach. So this book is going to teach you something. And today's book is called Lightning. Okay? So let's take a sneak peek on and start to think about some ideas of what this book will teach us. Fiction book, there's a table of contents that tells us what is going to be in the book. So over here, okay, but let's read the table of contents to see what idea and try to think of some ideas that this book might teach. It says, what is lightning? Kinds of lightning, crash and boom, stay safe. Now I'm trying to think, what might this book be teaching me about? What do you think? This book is probably going to teach me all different things about lightning. That'll be interesting. I can't wait to read this. So as I continue to read this book, I'm going to be asking some questions, okay? These questions are, I'm going to ask questions such as how, what, and why, okay? This is to help you think about the information that we are going to learn in reading this book about lightning. Okay? Let's get started with reading, okay? So, lightning. Lightning. Here's the table of contents again. Okay. What is lightning? Bright flashes light up the sky. Big jagged streaks hit the ground. A summer storm has brought lightning. So, I'm looking back at this page. I'm looking at the pictures as well as the words and thinking about what am I learning on this page. See, do you know what I'm learning? I'm learning that those big jagged streaks that hit the ground is called lightning. And do you know what? A summer storm may bring lightning. Is that something that you learned on this page too? Great. Okay, let's continue reading. Lightning is a kind of electricity. Storm clouds carry water droplets and ice crystals. The tiny particles bump into one another. They make electricity in the clouds. So let's think back. Okay, let's look at the pictures as well as the words. What did you learn on this page? See, do you know what I learned? I learned that lightning is a type of electricity. Okay. And I also learned that storm clouds carry water droplets and ice crystals. As the electricity becomes stronger, lightning flashes. Lightning is how clouds get rid of electricity. Lines of lightning are called bolts. They can be 10 miles long. They can be 54,000 degrees Fahrenheit. So using the picture and the words, what did you learn on this page? See, I learned that lines of lightning are called bolts, and they can be 10 miles long. That is so long, and I can even see that in the picture. Let's continue reading. Kinds of lightning. Oh, maybe this new part is going to tell me about the different types of lightning. Oh, that's something interesting to learn. All right. Ribbon lightning looks like jagged streaks. It darts from the sky toward the ground. So in this picture, I see that the lightning goes from the top, from the clouds to the ground. Forked lightning also goes from a cloud toward the ground. It looks like an upside down tree. So here's a picture of forked lightning, and I see that it's also going from the clouds to the ground. And it does look like an upside down tree with all the roots here. Lightning doesn't always shoot toward the ground. Sheet lightning streaks inside a cloud. Lightning bolts also jump from cloud to cloud. So, I read a couple pages already. Okay, what is something that you learned on these pages? I'm going to go back a few pages to show you pictures and words. This is about ribbon lightning. This is about forked lightning. And this is about sheet lightning. So, what is something that you learned on these pages? See, from the pictures and the words, something I learned is that lightning can go from the clouds to the ground, or they can go from cloud to cloud. Okay? I also have another question. Another question is to help to think about is, why do bolts jump from cloud to cloud? Let's take a look at the pictures and what we've learned so far in the book. So I'm thinking maybe lightning bolts jump from cloud to cloud because they can be over 10 miles long, so maybe they're stretching so far, so maybe that's how they can reach the other clouds. Great thinking. Okay, we're going to continue reading now. Crash and boom. Oh, that's an interesting title. Let's read. Okay. Thunder is the sound of lightning heating the air. A loud crash means lightning is close. Many booms mean lightning is far away. Now I'm thinking, I wonder, do you think meteorologists can tell the difference between the thunder? I'm thinking back to what I just read. Well, it does say a loud crash means the lightning is close. And if there's a lot of booms, that means the lightning is far away. So maybe meteorologists can tell whether or not the lightning is far away or close by the sounds that they hear. Maybe you could do that next time as well when you hear thunder. Stay safe. Lightning is dangerous. Stay indoors during thunderstorms. If you're caught outside during a storm, stay away from trees and power lines. So, by remembering the words and looking at the picture, okay, how should people respond? Use what you just learned about in the words and the pictures. How should people respond when there's a storm with lightning outside? What do you think? Good idea. Just like what it says in the words, lightning is dangerous, so you should probably try to stay safe by staying inside. But if you are outside, you need to make sure to stay away from trees and power lines. So here's a power line. Be sure to stay away from that, right? And that is the end of the book Lightning. We learned a lot about lightning. So what are some ideas that you learned? What are some new information that you learned? Oh, that sounds like some really great information. Now you know more about lightning.